What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a review on a ring light that I got. I never had a ring light, so I'm really excited about it. We're gonna open this up together. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna see how to put it together and all that jazz. Let's go ahead and open the box. Open the box up. Piece right there. That's how the box looks. So in the box we have the tripod stand, and then in this small round box we have what is in here. This is for the phone piece. And then you have the little remotes right here. I don't know what this piece is, but I think it goes on the tripod. And then another phone piece. And this is the actual ring light itself. And this is how it looks, guys. Real small. So we're going to go ahead and install this bad boy. Okay, y'all, so now that I've gotten this ring light put together and plugged in, we are going to turn it on and see what different type of like lights and stuff that it has, and modes and settings that it has. Okay, so now that it's brought down to a good amount of level, this is the phone holder piece that I was telling you guys about. This is where I will put my phone on. And then the other one that's right here, this is the one that I'm gonna use if I wanna take pictures. So, and I just basically attach that onto here. This is the little remote that I can control with my phone. So now we're going to see what different type of settings that it has. I don't know how many settings it has, but we're gonna turn it on. This probably is, well, this thing is really bright, y'all. I think this is natural, bright, and I guess like calm. But these are the 3 different settings. And then of course you can turn them up or you can turn them down. So now I'm gonna give a little quick preview on how it looks with my phone set up on it and me talking to you guys. So give me a second. Okay, so this is basically how it looks on the actual ring light. It's really like, it's really giving, like it's really clear and stuff. I like it. Let me change the color. Okay, period, so you guys can see me a little bit more clearer. And then of course I can like bring it down like this, or bring it down like this, or like this, or like that. And I never had a ring light, y'all, so I'm really excited about this. So let me change it to the brightness one. I think this might be my favorite one. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini review and unboxing of the Bauer ring light. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. See you later.